Hello, my name is Neil Mayers, and I'm here today to talk about America's skilled labor gap and how solutions recruiting can help your company fill it. As a brief introduction, I've spent the past 17 years running Solutions Recruiting, a business and HR consulting firm focused on the hiring process. Much of our work has involved companies that have a significant skilled labor component, and prior to this, I had 17 years with large multinational organizations like Kraft, where I was involved developing the structure, systems, and skills to create repeatable hiring processes and solutions. The additional time I've spent involved with the community college system here in Virginia has given me a unique insight into this issue as well. Now, first of all, skilled labor is defined as any job requiring post-secondary degrees or certifications. This could be everything from a CDL driver to an electrician or an OSHA-certified hazmat operator, and the shortage for these positions is well documented, with a major inhibitor of growth for many U.S. companies. The bad news is that whatever the gap is today, it's only going to get worse over the next decade due to the preponderance of today's skilled labor force getting ready to retire and the paucity of new young workers coming up through it. With the goal of finding millennials to fill these jobs, we work with clients to understand the continuum of choices, from taking them from direct competitors to going to malls and marketing to them from scratch. While there are a number of viable solutions, and these are not mutually exclusive, when evaluating all the factors, we found that leveraging the post-secondary schools through the state community college system to be the most efficient and optimal choice. Now, by focusing on these, we've been able to create a repeatable process by finding a steady pool of motivated candidates in the system that's directly incented to place them in our jobs. Further, trends show that many young people coming out of a traditional four-year school are recognizing a tougher job market, lower pay, and a lot of student debt to pay off. The growth of this post-secondary vocational system is helpful and will allow us to create a consortium of schools for your company to work with. There are obstacles to doing this that we can help you overcome, such as finding the correct schools in the system and knowing how to penetrate the bureaucracy in order to create the right kind of partnership that your company will find enduring. I'd love to tell you more about how we got to this solution and how we can help you get it started. Please reach out via the information below and we'll set up some time to talk in some more detail. Thank you very much for your time, and I look forward to talking to you soon.